Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to update your games and keep them automatically updated on your PlayStation 4. So here's a game, Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2, and I want to keep this up to date. So how would I do that? So I can go over to the application to prompt a download. If there is a download available, I can press options on it, and then I can go to check for update right here and just see if there is available update. Now we can go up to the top and go to settings, and then turn on the automatic updates. So we want to scroll on down to where it says power saving settings right here. Then go to set features available in rest mode. And make sure stay connected to the internet is checkmark. Well, in rest mode, the PS4 can download update files and content and upload saved data. So that's checkmark. Then we can go back and then go to system and then go to automatic download. And then we can go to these options under here. Now the first option says automatically add download links to the featured content to the home screen. So I just have that turned on. Then here's System Software Update Files. Checkmark this. Automatically download System Software Updates files when the PS4 is turned on or in rest mode. System Software Updates that do not require the PS4 to restart will automatically install after they are downloaded. Then we have Allow Restart. Automatically update the system software in rest mode, even when this requires your PS4 to restart. If the system software is updated, any unsaved progress in applications will be lost. Then we have Application Updates. So this will be your games. Automatically download application update files while the PS4 is turned on. If you're a PlayStation Plus member, the PS4 can download files in rest mode. So I am a PlayStation Plus member, so if I press the PlayStation button and hold this down, I can go to the power options right here, and then go to enter rest mode. PS4 will keep operating at low power consumption. It can charge controllers, download update files, and keep applications suspended depending on the PS4 power saving settings. Do you want to plug the AC power cord while in rest mode? So this will only cost you like $8 a year to have in rest mode, and it should download all the update files. So when you come on the PlayStation 4, everything should be downloaded and ready to go. So your PlayStation will only automatically update files if you have used them recently. So if they're like on a home screen right here, I believe most of these games should be checking for automatic updates. But if you go to like your library, there's going to be some games that won't be updating periodically under here that you haven't used in a while. So recent games update, non-recent games don't, even if you have them installed. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSixTech.